Today is August 8th, 2020. It's about 7 a.m. We had an eventful morning. It's too long of a story, but here we are. We just parked at Highway 215 and we're in North Carolina. And we are going to do a 12-mile loop today that involves 3 different places: Devil's Courthouse, Black Balsam Knob, and Sam's Knob. We are currently on the Mountains to Sea Trail. We're gonna take this for a while up to Devil's Courthouse. It thunderstormed in this area last night really hard, so the trail is pretty wet and it's super cold. I think it's like 59 degrees right now. There's some sections that are really wet. Yeah, this gets old real quick. On this lot right here. So I think this is Black Balsam Knob Road. You can just park here and climb up. Tragic. We are on the Art Loeb Trail heading up to Black Balsam Knob, which is only like 0.6 or 0.7 miles away. But we just passed the road and it has like 50 cars lined up. So definitely a popular area. Trail that goes back down to Black Balsam Road. It was a little hard to find, so we reached the summit and then we had to go back on the Art Loeb Trail, and we made it to the false summit. And then as you're heading down the false summit, there is a slight right turn, and then you'll hit this connector trail. Balsam Knob right now. And we found the northern summit with the 2 rock outcroppings. Ate some food there, but we could not find the southern summit. So the trail might be overgrown, but we're gonna head down now. We crossed Flat Laurel Creek, and now we're on the Flat Laurel Creek Trail. This will take us back to Highway 215.